Welcome to SMS Group, the global leader in modified tapioca starch manufacturing. For your safety and to comply with international standards, please follow these procedures when entering our production areas. Upon arrival, our security team at the front gate will welcome you and provide an entry badge. Please wear the badge in a clearly visible location at all times. Visitors entering the plant will be escorted and supervised at all times. This is because these areas are under high-level safety control. Upon receiving your badge, all visitors are required to put on their personal protective equipment. This gear consists of a high-visibility vest, protective helmet, and safety footwear. For safety and to maintain a professional environment, the company prohibits the following items in the plant. First, jewelry and accessories such as earrings, necklaces, watches, and handbags are not permitted. Also, all types of food are prohibited. Finally, electronic devices, including mobile phones and cameras, are also restricted unless authorized by SMS staff. All visitors are required to remain under SMS staff supervision at all times and follow all instructions. Please remain on the approved walkway and do not deviate without permission. To prevent slips and falls, always use the handrail when ascending or descending stairs. The production area contains active machinery, so keep a safe distance at all times. Visitors are not permitted to touch any equipment, buttons, or parts of the machinery. Please be aware forklifts are in operation. They are constantly moving and transporting goods throughout the plant. For your safety and others, always stop and wait for forklifts to pass. At all crosswalks, you must stop and wait for all vehicles to pass before crossing safely. If you notice anything unusual or a potential hazard, please notify a member of our SMS staff immediately. All visitors are required to observe the safety signs and strictly follow their instructions. For example, these signs indicate no spark-producing equipment or activities, no photography or video recording, no smoking. For your safety and convenience, SMS Group has provided smoking areas in safe and appropriate locations. In addition to the safety procedures we've covered, please be aware of our emergency protocol. If you hear the emergency alarm, remain calm and strictly follow all instructions from our SMS staff. They will quickly and safely lead you to the designated assembly point. The safety of everyone is our top priority for both visitors and SMS staff alike. We strictly follow our 9 life-saving rules. This video will show you exactly how our 9 life-saving rules are applied in real-life situations. We'll walk you through a few scenarios that demonstrate our policies in action. Working at height. If your work is 2 meters or more off the ground, you must inspect all fall protection gear, use proper anchor points, and secure your tools to prevent them from dropping. Energy isolation. Before working on any equipment, you must confirm that all energy sources, electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic, have fully been isolated and have zero energy. Our safety policies and regulations, including the 9 life-saving rules, are more than just protocols. They are our international safety standard. This unwavering commitment to safety and strict adherence to our regulations has consistently earned SMS Group the trust and credibility of our partners worldwide. On behalf of the SMS Group, we sincerely thank you for your commitment to safety. By following these crucial guidelines, we all play a part in protecting every life. Thank you.